Hey everyone, it's Jack from Bionic FX bringing you another intriguing story from the international scene. Today we're talking about a significant statement made by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. He claims that the Western nations are too afraid of escalating tensions with Russia. Zelensky urged NATO to form a coalition to intercept Russian missiles, a move NATO rejected. He believes Western nations are overly cautious about potential escalation. Kyiv has been pushing its Western allies to help shoot down Russian drones and missiles. However, his efforts have faced resistance from foreign powers hesitant to engage directly with Russia. In a recent interview, Zelensky stated, "The Western countries are too worried about possible escalation. We are fighting against that. We will overcome it." He's advocating for a more proactive stance, including using military aircraft to intercept missiles. That's it for today's update. What do you think? Should the West take a stronger stance, or are their concerns valid? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Bionic FX. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you in the next video.